Friends, I'm Sourish. Welcome to my channel Tuptap. Friends, I'm taking some object and ditch waters. Today we learn about sink and float. So we start. Friends, I taken some object and waters. So we start doing. Friends, first I take some marble. Yeah, and I put the marble in water, on water. One marble sinks. 2 also sinks. 3 sinks. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Bye-bye, marble. Friends, they are all marble are sinks under water. Then we take a cotton. Then we put the cotton here. Now the cotton is floating. Look at now the cotton is sinking. Oh, now the cotton sinks. What? The cotton. Here is the cotton. Here is the cotton. Ooh, the cotton sinks. Next, I take one race car. Got the race car. Then we put the race car here. Oh, it sinks underwater. Friends, how many objects are sinks underwater? 1, 2, 3. 3 objects. What is next? Yeah. Here the next object comes. Ow. This is a broken car. Brim, 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 beep, brim, beep, brim, beep, brim, beep, brim, beep, brim, beep. Then we put the car here and see what happened. Wait. It sinks underwater. A bubble coming. Oh, now the bubble not coming. Oh, the pretty car. What is that? Is that? I don't take it the speed. Friends, first I take one battery, phone battery. La. Then I put the battery here and see what happened. Oh, it sinks underwater. Look at now 5 sinks underwater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Friends, this is one ink pot. So we put the ink pot here. Oh, it floats. Now the ink pot floats. Here. Get the candle. I catch the candle. Friends, what I got? I got a candle. Oh, yes. Friends, first I put the candle here. Oh, it floats. Wow, the little candle floats. Friends, next we take a marker pen and put in water. Oh, it floats. When the cotton come again here. One sinks in comes This is very interesting. Cotton. Friends, look at the cotton comes up. But friends, this only sinks, but floating underwater. His size is very big and small also. Then the cotton heavy and light. Friends, makes the cotton feel heavy and little. That's why the cotton floats underwater. Next is the knife. Friends, I got a knife. We put the knife here and see what happened. Oh, now. This sinks underwater. Next is this spoon. Friends, what is this? This is another plastic knife. We see, put here, what happens? Oh, wow. This also sinks. Oh my. Friends, I got a plain thing. So I put it. Friends, I got a toy. I got a roti maker ruler. So I put here and see what happened. Oh, it floats. Now I got a pouch of chocos, yummy chocos. So I put it and see what happened. Wow, it floats. It's very big because on India there is some chocos. Wow. Friends, look at, I got a house-made car. So I put here and see what happened. Oh, it sinks fast. Look at, there is it's made of broken little bikina and a battery and engine. Next is a spoon. So we put it and see what happened. It sinks. It sinks. A stone. Friends, look at, I got a stone. A big stone. Yeah. Friends, this is a marble stone. So we put here. Oh, it sinks. Wow, that's fun. Friends, I got a comb. When our hair is very dirty, we comb our hair like this. So I put it and see what happened. Wow, it floats. Friends, I got a spring. Wow, look at. So we put here and see what happened. It sinks fastly. What's the another thing? Friends, I got another thing. So I put it and see what happened. We know. Oh! First, it floats. When I touch the spring,
yes.
Friends, when I touch the spring goes underwater. Oh, what is the cotton doing? The cotton's one half comes out from the cotton. Yeah. Friends, I got a plastic wheel. So we'll put and see what happens. This is moving little. Look at this, moving and floating also. Half is sinks, half is floats, and up is floats. Friends, I got a dolphin. Wow, उठका ये बढ़ गया. So I put and see what happened. Oh, the dolphin eat water and go under. First the dolphin floating, and when it eat water, then go under. Friends, I got a broken bicycle basket. So I put here and see what happened. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, it floats, but half sinks like this wheel. This also half sinks. Friends, next I got a chalk. So I put it and see what happened. First it floats and throw bubble. Then it goes and throw bubble like one fountain. Look at go there. There's the marbles. Friends, I got a toy fish, and so we put here and see what happened. Oh, it floats. Yeah. Friends, I got a sharpener, a red color sharpener. So we put it and see what happened. It sings there. Friends, I got a block. So we put it and see what happened. La 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 la. Half is sings and half is floats. Another a box. It floats, but when I pour water, then the box sinks. Now it's little floating. Next, ask a dhakkan. So we put it and see what happens. Oh, it floats. Another, a balloon. So we put it and see what happened. It floats. A big fat fish. We think a big fat fish is going. Friends, today we learn about next I got a cable. So I put it and see what happens. Oh, it sinks, but this big's not sinks. One here and one there. Friends, today we learn about sink and float. Friends, it is our experiment that some object floats on water, some object sinks into the water. So friends, do you like my video? If like, then subscribe my channel, like also. Bye bye.